Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche. Alright, so our YouTube subscriber has sent us a couple of reels that they want us to interchange some parts and put it back together for them. But at the same time, too, we got a letter. So this is from Henry Garcia of Oklahoma City. Got us a letter here. Let's see what we got here. I think it's instructions on what we're supposed to be doing, but pretty cool, you know. I mean, if you're gonna send us gear, it always helps to have exactly what you want so we can make it happen. And let's see. Just making sure that. So, got a phone number and got the HXW. You even put serial numbers on there. Good. He wants first 200 yards with the white. Right. So he wants 200 yards of white. And then we're going to do 200 yards of blue, and then the top shot will be with the orange. We're setting it up for casting is what he wants, so we're going to be putting it right there to the bottom of that bevel right there. And then he's actually given us specific instructions of what he wants switched. It'll be the reel seat, the handle, and the spool. So we're going to be switching those three out real quick. So we're basically making some Incredible Hulk reels, I think is what we're going for, or Green Lantern. That's pretty cool too. So I guess first let's switch out those parts so that way we can spool them, and then I can get them boxed up and we can ship those out. So we'll start there.
Gotta bite. I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call up the whole team.
Alright guys, so I've got this reel here and I already started working on it, and I accidentally forgot to push record. So yep, so now I'm gonna get y'all back caught up real quick. I've already removed the reel foot on the reels, and I already swapped those out, so now it's time to get the rest of the reel together, or disassemble to reassemble, so that way we can switch them out the way the customer wants us to do, which is our YouTube subscriber. And yes, this is going to be a very beautiful color combination, so yep, stay tuned guys, this is going to be pretty awesome. Step one complete. Now I just gotta. He wants the handles changed out too, so I gotta do that.
Wants to double color them?
Yep. Alright guys, so I ain't even gonna lie. I had this tool laying around that I've never used. I've never used one of these roll tools, only, you know, maybe this part to tighten up the handles and stuff. And this is a pin tool, you know, and wow, look at that, it works. So this is pretty awesome. Yeah, man, if I can get it on. Alright guys, now that y'all have seen me split these two rails and put them back together, the customer also wants something else pretty different too. Alright. So what we're doing is we're putting 200 yards of base white wrap, or white braid. It's all 100-pound test. Alright guys, so what I have done is he wants 200, 200, and 200. So I've got 200 yards of 100 pound, Gen 3 diamond Momoy. And here goes the next 100, or next 200 of the blue. Let's see how it goes. Well, he wanted it set up for casting. However, he also wanted 200, 200, and 200. It's not getting to it. I've got 370 yards. So let me get back with them and find out how he would like to proceed, because yeah, that's not going to work. So. All right, so I've already talked to the customer, and he is fine with the line capacity the way it is. So I'm just going to do the next drill the exact same way, and then I'll ship him back to the rest of his line. So I'm going to do this closeout loop over here, or the end loop. That way he can tie on his braid to his leaders and not have to worry about it.